How to make a Libra man fall in love with a Libra woman. When a Libra man meets a Libra woman, the connection is often instant, balanced, charming, and magnetically graceful. Yet, even within this natural affinity, intentional effort is needed to nurture romantic depth. Get a man hooked on you. Discover what men secretly want and become his secret obsession. Click the link below in the description to learn more. If you're wondering how to make a Libra man fall in love with a Libra woman, this concise guide offers key insights rooted in astrology and personality dynamics. 1. Reflect his love for balance. Libra men crave harmony. Show emotional stability and avoid unnecessary drama. He's drawn to partners who radiate calm and grace. 2. Stimulate his mind. Intellectual dialogue is vital. Discuss ideas, books, or art. Mental connection is just as important to him as physical attraction. 3. Maintain a polished appearance. He's ruled by Venus, the planet of beauty. Dress tastefully, carry yourself with elegance, and keep things aesthetically appealing. 4. Handle disagreements gracefully, avoid loud confrontations. Speak gently, reason logically, and always aim for a peaceful resolution. He values fairness. 5. Be socially poised. A Libra man enjoys social circles. Join him in gatherings, show confidence, and blend in with grace. He admires charm in public spaces. 6. Reciprocate affection subtly. He gives love freely but seeks equal attention. Send thoughtful texts, share music, or surprise him with small romantic gestures. 7. Show emotional control. He dislikes emotional chaos. Express feelings with clarity, but avoid overreactions. He prefers refined emotional expression. 8. Embrace his romantic idealism. He dreams of the perfect love story. Be poetic, thoughtful, and sentimental. Romance him in soft, creative ways. 9. Take gentle initiative. Libra men can be indecisive. Occasionally guide the relationship forward with soft leadership. It's attractive to him. 10. Share his aesthetic world. Explore art, music, or design together. A shared appreciation for beauty strengthens emotional and intellectual bonds. Understanding how to make a Libra man fall in love with a Libra woman means tuning into the elegance, balance, and subtle charm that defines both signs. With grace and sincerity, this love can blossom into something deeply fulfilling. Do you want to get him chasing you like crazy? Discover what men secretly want and make him want you forever. Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and share this video.